Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on show me in topics on your Tinder app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just go up here, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here or your settings window, and you just go down here. So you keep going and you come here to manage topics. You will click here on settings, then it's going to take you here and you come here to show me in topics. You click here on this mark, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean show me in topics. It's turned on now on your Tinder app. So that's all you have to do. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. I wish you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.